ओके. साधन बाब, तुजें कितें म्हणणें आहा करंट स्टेटस जो लॉकडावनाचो नंबर ऑफ कोवीड केसीस गोंयांत वाडटा पळय तेजेर कितें म्हणणें आहा तुजें?
No news to points are there. It's very unfortunate that the number of COVID cases in Goa has gone on increasing. Sarkar is hiding sometimes the figures. They should be bold enough to tell the people what is the exact number and take all the precautions. Right now we have seen the number of cases in Mangur Hill has gone very high. Immediately, government should take it very seriously and immediately they have to lock down Vasco. But not like before. Not to allow people to starve. लोकांक जेवणाचे आनी सगळें पुरमेन तिका ओरून दिवपाक जाय. It should be made available so that people don't curse and they don't starve. Second thing, आमचे centers जे आसात, COVID centers, they should be fully equipped. I'm happy that Health Minister has said that 100 more ventilators are expected. In fact, 100 may not be enough. It is not only the ventilators. The staff in all the COVID centers has to be increased because right now they work overtime and the time will come when they'll be frustrated and not care for the patients. This stage should not come. Health workers, all PPP equipment should be made available to them, like masks, gowns, gloves, face shields, respirators. It should not be like Italy, where so many health workers, they were victims of COVID because they were looking after the patients. Now, borders should be properly sealed. Right now they are sealed, but we have seen of late that old lady came in without anybody's permission, and like that, they are harassing people who are good, but then people from the other states come in, maybe they be bribing the police and other officers. These should be stopped immediately. They have been the carriers of COVID-19. I think once again, I request the government to be very serious. It should not go out of hand. We have seen yesterday all those migrant workers, the train went from Goa, but hundreds of them, maybe 1,000 people were stranded. I really don't understand what is this homework. How they didn't know how many more people would be there. And if at all they are left behind, they should be taken care of. All people from Margaon, they were scared yesterday because people were loitering here and there and they were scared they may attack them, they may rob their houses. So such things should not happen. Only number of laborers who are going to get seat in the train should be allowed to come, maybe plus 40, 50, plus or minus, not 1,000. Others should be kept back and this should continue. If every rule has an exception, I know the train will start normal trains, but so many goods trains are going, like that one more train or two more trains, the government of central government can always give to the state and see that these migrants who have suffered enough till now, they go back to their destination.
The state government eyes minister and MNH meeting जाली where they are saying that lockdown is not necessarily required because it can create financial problems in the state. तुमचं किती म्हणणं आहे?
See, it has already created financial problems. We want people to survive and not to die. So immediately they should keep aside their vested interests. ऐकल the भाशेन तांगेले एक interests आसात. So that they should keep aside and look after the health and well-being of the people of the state.